Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Aysh and in this video I'm just going to be telling you how to clean your new piercing. I have done a video on how to make your own saline solution and clean your piercings before, but to be honest that method is a bit outdated and it's not what I personally use or recommend to my customers anymore, so I thought I'd make an updated version. So the method I'm about to give you is what I personally do and what I recommend to my customers. All you really need to do to clean your new piercing is run warm water over it in the shower to soften and get rid of any crusties, and then spray it twice a day with sterile saline solution and dry it with a clean paper towel. The sterile saline solution I'm using at the moment is STERILE, and you can get that in my online store wholeheartedlondon.com, so I'll put a link both on screen and in the description below so you can get some if you don't already have any. But yeah, I clean it twice a day to start with, and eventually as healing progresses I cut down to once a day, and then I just cut down to rinsing it under the warm water in the shower, because I find that if I use it too much my piercing ends up getting a bit too dried out. Occasionally, especially if the piercing is visible on my face, I will use a cotton bud to remove any crusties that didn't come off in the shower or with the saline solution, but I do tend to soak this cotton bud in saline solution so it's less fibrous and there's less chance of them sort of getting stuck to any, crusties or gooiness on the piercing. Having said that, in general you do want to leave crusties to fall off on their own, because it's like your body's natural defense mechanism, it's forming these crusties and these little scabs and things like that in order to heal your piercing. So don't touch it, don't pick at them or anything like that during the day. If you need to clean them off, to look presentable and to look clean, then fair enough. But if you can, just kind of leave them to do their own thing, if it's on your ear or your belly button or something like that. Usually all you really need to do is do the cleaning method I've suggested and then just leave it alone and let it do its own thing. Coming on to that, leave it the hell alone is actually a whole sort of aftercare method in itself, and there are people who do practice this. So basically when it comes to aftercare for their piercing, they literally just rinse it in the shower and do nothing else. But yeah, if that's the method you choose to go with, then that is sort of your choice. All you'd actively need to do is rinse it under warm water in the shower. However, I personally don't push that method, and I don't want to push that method on you guys. I would just, like to make you aware of it, because I don't think everyone can be held up to the same hygiene standards, and unless I personally know you, I don't know how clean you are as a person in general. Basically, the reason I say this is I use Reddit quite a lot, and the piercing subreddits on Reddit and body mods and all of that kind of stuff. And I use it to find questions, maybe answer some problems, things like that. But I came across a post from a girl who basically wanted to use this method. And then she was basically I think she played sports and stuff like that. But then she was like, will it be okay though, because I don't shower every day? So that's why I don't push this method to people I don't know, because I don't know, you might not shower every day. But to be honest, if you don't shower every day, should you really be getting a piercing? Probably not. But yeah, that is the end of this video. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Just so you know, I've got loads of new stock over on wholeheartedlondon.com. This new high quality range not only looks stunning, but it's highly polished, internally threaded implant grade titanium, so it's great for your piercings too.